Are you recording? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Fun and All. Today it's Queenie back with the Disneyland series video. So this has been the most requested video, and that's why I'm bringing you a part 3. Enjoy! Tip number 1. Fantasyland and Tomorrowland are the busiest parts of Disneyland, so I recommend you going there first thing in the morning before the crowd hits.
This one no need to be thinner. That one wants to get the girl and do I help her? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. They come running to my open arms, little mercenaries, and I help them. Yes, I do. Certainly got any news on the casting scene.
Queenie, Kavya.
Tip number 2 is to bring dollar store ponchos. The reason for this is some popular rides like Splash Mountain and Grizzly River Run have a lot of crowd during the end of the day when it's sunnier, but in the mornings no one likes to ride them because it's quite cold. So if you want to not wait in long lines and still enjoy the fun rides, you can go in during the morning and still wear your poncho and not stay cold. Tip number 3. So many people think Disneyland won't let you bring in your own food. That's true, no way. They will not let you bring in glass bottles or cooler full of lunch, but they do allow your food. You can bring in bags full of food, and they will not call you out for it. The more the snacks you bring, the less you will have to buy, and the happier your pocket and kids will be. Tip number 4. Delay eating lunch until 2 or 3. So most people eat lunch at noon, and at that time the lines for food are really long, but the lines for the rides are super short, so enjoy the rides at the time when everyone else is eating. Tip number 5. So Disneyland is a great place and lots of fun, but you can get bored while waiting in long lines. So how about you play a game with your family? You can play some games like Would You Rather, Truth or Dare, I Spy, and Two Truths and a Lie. You can also question your family and have some fun by asking our own witty riddles that you watched in our previous videos.
actually stretching? It's your imagination. This chamber has no windows and no doors, which offers you this chilling challenge: to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Serpents and spiders, hail of a rat, all the spirits, wherever they're at. Rat one of me, it's time to respond. Let there be music from regions beyond.
Be sure to bring your death certificate.
So, you're looking for a laughing place, eh?
Yay! Huggy? Oh, how cute! Kissy karo kayo, kissy? Ha?
Bonus tip. Okay, so this one's a tricky one. Many people don't recommend it, but it's a solid tip. Don't wait hours to wait for the parade. Go ride some rides instead. Many people wait to stand by the parade for hours, hoping that they would get the front seats. But you can see the parade just as well from the back. Instead of waiting in lines, go ride some rides and have fun, because the lines are much shorter when everyone else is waiting to watch the parade. Okay guys, that was it for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Also, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you liked our video. Also, hit the bell for post notifications. Bye.
Bye.